Say hi.
Hi, sis. Are you awake?
Oh no, you just hung up on her. You just hung up on Auntie Brenda. Yes, you did. She's gonna have to call you back. Uh-huh. Open it up. Open up your phone. Say hi, this is live. We're recording.
Look, this didn't take very long, sis. You hung up on me already.
Hey, I'm just waking up.
Did you sleep good? Did you get a good nap? Oh, did you? Did you sleep good?
Whoa, you're a little unsteady on the feet.
I'll count the days till you come and see me.
Say
You have
hi.
nothing to say?
Hold on to it like that.